Find the last day on the sun was mostly quiet. Did get some pops. A couple even looked like they could have made CMEs. Coronagraphs show just faint solar wind signatures only. So let's come to the solar wind in geospace and the geomagnetic conditions. Bottom right, all you see is one yellow bar, and that is due to a phi angle shift, the sector boundary, interaction with the heliospheric current sheet. It was a significant interaction that caused the geomagnetic unrest here before that spike on the far right of the solar wind charts. Kind of hard to see, but that there is the CME impact. It struck hours later than expected, and so take my previous reassurance to you that this was not going to be a grid killer, and now eliminate any remaining doubt you had as to that forecast. With the whack indeed striking this morning, I would still expect geomagnetic storms, enduring unrest at the very least, but still a shade below what would have been expected if it had struck yesterday. KP5 or 6, a G1 or G2 storm, is now the best forecast rather than the G3, KP7 that had been expected before. It's worth noting that while the southern active region that produced the CME is fading and turning out of view, the northern group is intact and approaching center disk with a trailer coming in behind it just over the limb this morning. Let's start the articles with one on mortality factors in northern Portugal over a considerable amount of time. Solar modulation is seen once again as in previous